welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be featuring a 5-minute makeup routine. This is very beneficial to all those who are always late, or those who doesn't have just enough time to do a full face of makeup. This is also good for those very busy moms who are just about to go pick up their kids, but they don't have enough time to make themselves presentable. So 5 minutes, it's very quick and easy. This is all for you. And for all those who have been waking up late before going to work, you just wanted to feel a bit more presentable and alive. You don't have enough time to put a full face of makeup, but you want to be presentable. So this routine will be your guide. So with the 5-minute makeup routine, I just basically put a lot more time on perfecting my base. So that includes putting a foundation, concealer, and then setting it with a setting powder. As you can see here, I am now putting my concealer and blending them out.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Right after blending my foundation and concealer, I am now setting it with a setting powder.
A turkey and some mistletoe will help to make.
Because we don't have enough time, we are just gonna go straight to blush. This is just to put some color back onto your face. After perfecting and evening out your skin with the foundation and concealer, we are now putting some color back with a blush. We have skipped bronzer and contour. We just go straight to blush. So right after putting blush on, I go straight to filling up my eyebrows. This is very important because eyebrows helps frame your face.
Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and good.
And once I have filled up my eyebrows, I went straight to putting stick eyeshadow on my eyelids. This is just for me to have a little bit of definition on my eyes, but very quick and easy. Just paint the eyeshadow stick and then blend it, and that's it.
And every mother's child is gonna spy.
And once I've blended my eyeshadows, I went straight ahead to applying mascaras. This is just to help my eyes looking more awake, bright and awake.
Really know how to fly. So
And then I went ahead applying lipstick. I used the NYX lip cream here. You can use whatever lipstick you want. And that's it. That's my 5-minute makeup routine. Very quick and easy.
the kids from 1 to 92 Although it's been said.
So here is the finished look, guys. It's just very simple, but I feel like I am, put together. I can go out like this without feeling insecure or embarrassed. And it's very simple, just the base, a little bit of blush, and of course I had to do my eyebrows and a little bit of color on my eyelids and my lips, and of course a little bit of mascara just to bring life to my eyes, brighten it up. So I did manage to, as you saw, I did manage to do this makeup look in 5 minutes, 5 minutes and 23 seconds. And yeah, so it's very easy. This is very good for those, again, if you're running out of time or and you're getting late to work, if you're just picking up the kids and you want to be a little bit presentable. And I hope you like it. If you did, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and of course give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. I would appreciate it so much. And thank you for those who have watched my recent makeup haul. If you haven't already, please go watch it. And of course, and my recent Christmas home tour. And that's it, guys. Bye.